products. These are the cost for the entrepreneurs. The return will comes in the future. So that's why risk bearing is another important characteristic of an entrepreneur. Next one, organization of production. Next characteristic is organization of production. Here the entrepreneur has to adjust or has to focus on those elements which is required to start the production. We know that means of production is land, labor, capital and raw materials and so on, right? So he has to arrange all these elements to start the production process. To start the production process, we require land, we require labor to work there, and we require capital to purchase raw materials, payment to wages, salaries, all these aspects we need capital, and raw materials to produce the goods. So entrepreneur has to organize the production requirements that are required to produce a particular product. Okay, and next one is decision making. Next one is decision making. Here we know that in business organization, every businessman has to take several decisions regarding several aspects. Each and everything should be considered which gives the positive result for the organization, which means the businessman has to take those decisions which gives the positive response or positive result for the business organization. Like that, entrepreneur has to take several decisions in each and every day by way of his regular activities in the just like selection of suppliers, purchasing of machinery, furniture, or regarding all these elements he has to take decisions. Okay, and next one is leadership. Entrepreneur has to act as a leader because he is taken as a role model by his subordinates. He not only guides them, he not only counsels them, he motivates them to do a particular task. By motivating them, the organization may get the goals is to be reached as early as possible. Leader should be like that. His ways and the means of doing activities will be appreciated by his subordinates. So, entrepreneur has to behave like a leader for the organization. Okay, he motivates the employees. He has to take care of the employees. He has to motivate the employees to do a task successfully. Okay, and next characteristic is planning. Planning is nothing but thinking before doing. We have to think first before we are taking any action in the business organization. Otherwise, you may suffer with losses. Right? So, planning for what? What to do. What to do. How to do. How to do. When to do. And who to do a particular task. Regarding these elements, the entrepreneur has to take decisions like what to do, what kind of products that we have to produce, and how to do, how we have to produce, what are the production process that we have to follow to produce particular product, or when to do, when we have to produce those goods, and who to do. In the organization there are several employees and the work of the employees is to be devised. So, what the work is done by who? It should be decided in the planning aspects. This is one of the characteristic of an entrepreneur. And next one, hard work. Willingness to do hard work is differentiate the successful entrepreneur from the unsuccessful one. In a survey which indicates that a successful entrepreneur work hard endlessly at the beginning of his enterprise and not in the enterprise at his whole life in the enterprise. Starting and ending. These points are to be covered in terms of hard work. right? So when at the initial stage he is doing hard work, but at the last stage he may relax. Nothing happens like that. Entrepreneur do endlessly, do hard work endlessly throughout his entire life, then only the success will comes to him. Okay, and next one, desire for high achievement. The goals in the business organization of an entrepreneur is highly decided, because he is not like earlier I told about sole proprietorship. In that what we have said, the sole proprietorship form of business organization is not intends to growth. But here the entrepreneur is thinking about the international operations. I have to increase my production process from here to somewhere else. I want to become a business leader and I want to become a market maker. These type of goals is set by the entrepreneurs. So this high achievement will motivate them, will strengthen them. They are not care of misfortunes. Even this motive will influence them if their organization is getting losses, but they are not discouraged. They motivate themselves, yes, it is not my goal. I have to keeps on doing hard work. Then only I will reach what my aspiration is, what my goal is. So they have the strong desire for high achievements in their business organizations. And next one is highly optimistic. Here he is highly optimistic. Whatever the problems that they are facing now, they feel that it is not continued in the future. The future conditions will definitely favorable for our business organization. We need not to take any worry regarding the present conditions that prevails in the society. So optimism will make them to reach whatever they want in their life. Right? So entrepreneurs are highly optimistic peoples. And next one is independence. Here the entrepreneur is to behave like an independent individuals. They are not want to guided by others. They are not taken the path which is directed by the others. They want to become independently. They are not dependent on others. Right? So independence is one of the important characteristic of an entrepreneur. And the next one is foresight. Here foresight means he has to visualize the changes that appears. Okay, he has to visualize the changes that appears in the society is to be foreseen by him, which means he can see whatever the changes that are happening in the society is to be observed, and he is a great visualizer. His vision regarding the future will gives him the positive results. He has to estimate the upcoming changes in the society, and they adopt those changes as opportunities. So foresight is one of the important characteristic of an entrepreneur. Okay, then the characteristics of entrepreneur is first one, innovation. Innovation is the specific tool of an entrepreneur. Innovation means doing new things or doing things that are already being done in a new way. The next one is risk bearing. He has to arrange all the factors of production in advance. If he is succeeded in that, he may get handsome profits. If not, he may suffer losses. So risk bearing is another important characteristic of an entrepreneur. Next, organization of production. So he has to arrange the factors of production like land, labor, capital and raw materials to make the production in the motion. So organization of production is one of the important characteristic of an entrepreneur. Decision making. He has to take several decisions in the regular life of the business organization. Okay, leadership. He has to motivate his employees. He has to behave like a leader. Okay, to reach the organizational goals. He has to appreciated by his subordinates by his leadership skills. Okay, next one, planning. He has to plan about what to do, how to do, when to do and who to do a particular task. Hard work will differentiate a successful entrepreneur from an unsuccessful one. They work hard endlessly. With their sweat-filled experiences, they can obstacle, they can reach any goal by doing hard work. Next one, desire for high achievement. The goals are fixed as high levels. They want to reach that goals at any cost, right? And highly optimistic. They are optimistic regarding future. They are not disturbed by the present problems. They feel that future will definitely gives the best result or the best situations to operate our business. And next one, independence. They behave an independent one, which means they are not guided by the others. They follow what they want to do. And foresight, they clearly visualize the likely changes that are happening in the society. Okay, these are the important characteristics of an entrepreneur. In today's session, we learned about who is an entrepreneur and what is the definition of entrepreneur and different characteristics of entrepreneur. I hope all of you are getting the classes. Please note down all these things in your notes. Thank you.